It's hard enough doing your regular job. Unfortunately, cybercriminals are very interested in your data and will stop at nothing in their quest for it. The increased sophistication of bad actors makes protecting digital assets even harder. But worry no more. We have you covered with edge and distributed firewall services that are designed for modern cloud environments. You get Edge Firewall for protected and optimized north-south traffic. Distributed Firewall protects east-west traffic and provides micro-segmentation that blocks lateral movement threats. One control pane for management. Distributed Firewall services provide no single point of failure or choke point, secure app mobility with policies attached to VMs, no edge back and forth movement for inspection, micro-segmentation for threat isolation, context-aware app protection, lower operational costs. In comparison to on-premises hardware-based solutions, customers that deploy these services can expect to realize significant business benefits, including 95% ROI in 3 years, 12 months payback period, 30% reduction in hardware infrastructure spend, 22K personnel hours saved by automation. It's easy to get started with our Edge and distributed firewall services. Please visit our website for more information.